I tell you, man, it's just a lot of people. And if you don't like people, do not come over here.
Mắc hơn lo ra.
Được chứ, mua ở dưới 7 đồng mới.
Nè cái trái gì
Xay chưa? Hả? Lớn còn.
Đừng lo, làm sao không lo được chứ. Đợi con trai lấy những thứ làm cho họ ra, cho họ xem.
It's a busy place, man. You can get all your goods and food and clothes and stuff over here. Okay. People are not afraid of cameras over here. They really don't care about the cameras. They don't trip out about the cameras. They're kind of used to it. So yeah, you got people from all over the world that come here just to shopping and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Yep. Most of the guys are pickpockets. They be picking pockets. Yeah. When you over here see a crowd like that, I'm telling you right now, you just gotta be careful. You know, watch your wallet and your purses, cause yeah, they could get you in a split second. That's New York for you. It's the biggest city in America, and it's filled with scammers, man. And it also got good stuff, not just scammers. There's also good stuff in New York. Okay, I'm just warning you. That's it. They gone. That's the Manhattan Bridge right there, and this is Canal Street. This is not the end of Canal Street. If you go across the street, it continues to go all the way down. Okay, all the way down. If you're lost, you come over here, look at the map, and it'll tell you where to go. Yep. Woohoo! Sometimes you gotta work the crowd. If you don't like people, don't come to New York, I tell you that. It's always gonna be a lot of crowd, huge crowd, stuff like that. That's the Manhattan Bridge. I'm gonna scare some birds. Watch the birds fly. Capture that. Beautiful. Zone life. Yep. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.